Welcome back. Now I'm on part 3 on the Mac looking at accessibility options. We've currently looked at part 1 which was voiceover, part 2 was zoom, and now we're going to part 3 which is display. This is for inverting colours or highlighting colours or tints on your screen to help you visually. Or maybe you're suffering from severe migraines or the white background really hurts your eyes. We've got so many options to work with this as well. So I'll give you a quick overview just to get you up and running. So again, we need to go to System Preferences, again in your dock here, or top left hand corner where the Apple is, and select for me System Preferences. Again, your layout might be different here depending on what iOS you're on, but if you type Accessibility up here, or you see it underneath, tap on it, and you're now good to go, which would look pretty much the same. This time we're on number 3, Display. Now, as I was saying earlier, you can change the feel and look of your screen visually to help you. And it could be for a number of reasons. Maybe on a laptop all day, maybe on your Mac all day, or maybe doing essays and assignment study. For any reason, for example, if I go display invert colours, you can quickly invert the colours quickly to work with. You've got an option there, classic invert as well, and tap that on. Another great option is reduce motion. Now, as you move the cursor, sometimes you get a little motion from the cursor and movement as you move. Reduce that, just makes the cursor more prompt and precise, so it takes away that issue for you. You can see I've left that on because it really does help. You've got increased contrast, and you can see everything's kind of gone linear and sharper. So it's taken away the smooth edges, if you like. But it does make everything look more crisp. And again, that might work for you or not. You might want it smoother. So again, personal options. Reduce transparency, and again you can see it's taken away like a little bit of a haze, if you like, from the screen, or hue, I suppose they call it, HUE. But again, reduce transparency can be really helpful as well. This option here is great. What it actually does is, with options and buttons and stuff, it actually changes the shape more. So if you're struggling with colours, you can identify different colours via shapes. Show what I mean. If I click on here, the option here, use shapes into addition to or instead of colour to convey status of information. So if you struggle with colours, maybe you could be colourblind, for example. That's a good option to distinguish between different things on the screen. Not really used that yet, but have a little play with that. Could be really beneficial. We have a menu bar size, large or small. And then you've got display contrast that you can change manually there if you wish. Let's go up to cursor. Now, shake mouse pointer to locate. If I shake it, see it's gone bigger. And you can choose how big you want that actually. So if I shake it again. So if you're always losing the cursor, you can always use that option, shake it and find it straight away. Color filters. Again, you might want a color filter over your screen. So I'm going to enable it. I don't know if you can see this on the screen, but I am changing the colors here. And you can play around with different colors. See the color palette up here. If I come down to the bottom, I can then play around with an overlay color that works for me. And also I can change the intensity here as well. So again, personal preference, have a little play with that if you wish as well. And there you go. There's a quick overview of using display options on the Mac. Thanks for watching.